Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to update the software on Garmin Forerunner 70. Okay, to do it you need to be synced with your Garmin Connect app, of course, and then if you are, simply open the app, and now from the level of the app, click on the top right corner on your watch and select Forerunner 70. Then keep scrolling down all the way until you find System, and in here tap on Software Update. In here, if you want, you can enable the auto update. Thanks to that, the phone will automatically install the latest software possible, and in here also, if you have some updates that appear, you can manually click on them to install. In my case, I'm using the latest version, so there is no updates in here, but the auto update function is a really cool thing, and I highly recommend turning it on. So thanks to that, you won't have to install the updates manually. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.